Okay, my friends, we're back today with a quick tutorial on how to change a switch panel on a 736 TCI. This piece did not come with instructions, and there was a bag of parts there that were extra that I didn't need. And so if you need to replace it, you can look it up, or you can just, here's the part number right there. And the reason why I'm changing this is because the upper drawer was not sealing properly, and it was sucking in a lot of air, and it iced up the freezer. And so I tried to adjust it and wasn't having much success. So I ordered a new panel, and halfway through installing it, I realized I didn't make any video of taking it apart. But as you can see, it's just the reverse of what I did. Make sure you snap in that Molex connector and you hear a click, because it kept slipping out on me. I finally got it though. Let's make sure that's clamped in there. This is good. That's good. I'm running out of battery juice here. That's in. That's good there. Okay. Now we need this.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay. That's that.
Okay, I hope that helps you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.